going to share a simple Excel formula which will be very useful to calculate the interpolation. I have used this formula many times. So in my last slide, I'll talk about a simple basic Excel formula which will give you the interpolated value very easily. Now this interpolation is very much essential when you're using the Ullage table book. On the left side, you write your both the ullages. So if your required ullage is 1.50 as told by pumpman, so you know that in the Ullage table book you have the 100 on top and 200 below that. So you end up these two range. Correspondingly, you mention the volume on the right side. Now in the formula you have mentioned equal to forecast A3, which is this, then V1 V2 is this, then A1 A2 is this, and make enter. It will automatically give you 2250. Then you can just give a try. You can enter any values on this side and any values on this side, and you just write this value between these two, and then you will get your answer over here. So this is how I use when I was using the Ullage table book. But as a mate, always try to figure out a way to use the load indicator to your maximum advantage. So I hope you liked my presentation, and I was trying to be a little bit faster because I don't want this video to be long. In case you want any other videos on any other topics, just drop in a comment and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. So this is Capt.Vijay signing off.
Subscribe to Papa's channel, hit the bell icon, follow him on Instagram.
Thank you.
Thank you.